Hello, welcome to my bathroom. Today I'm doing another body shop video. I'm going to show you some body scrubs. Body Shop have got 3 different types of body scrubs which you can use depending on your skin type. So I'm just going to show you each 3 type that I've got and talk about a couple of other different scrubs as well. So starting at like the gentler end of the scale, this is one of the best ones to use. It's the Almond Milk and Honey body scrub, and it says right on there for sensitive dry skin. So if you have got sensitive skin that's like prone to reacting to some products, this is the one you want to use. It is really soft, really gentle, really creamy, and just really nice to use on your skin. Just open it up and have a look inside. So you can see there that it looks like really creamy and looks really nice. It smells amazing as well. Of course, this is the one that I should be using because I am prone to sensitive skin sometimes, but whenever I use any kind of exfoliator, I like to really get into my skin and have a really good scrub. So I do use this one, obviously, but I also like to use the other ones as well. Like, I like to feel my skin coming off, as bizarre as that sounds. Okay, next up is the gel-based scrub. I hope this isn't lagging. This looks like it's lagging. Well, I'll have to see when I watch it back. So this is British Rose. I mentioned British Rose range in my last video and said about how realistic it smelled. It is, it's gorgeous. It's just like a garden and like a rose garden. So I'm just going to tilt this, try without spilling it. We good? Yeah, we're good. So yeah, so this one's got much more of a gel texture to it. This obviously all 3 types are really nice to use. I really like the gel ones as well. I like how they feel on my skin. They kind of help wake me up as well. Just like that gel feeling texture, it kind of just gives you a little bit of a buzz. And then thirdly is the sugar based. So this is Berry Bon Bon. This came out last Christmas. So it's a little bit like gel, but just thicker, and you can see the sugar in there. You can see all the sugar crystals. So this was really nice. This is like really fruity and really sweet. So sugar is one of my favourite ones to use. Like I say, it's much more invigorating on your skin and just helps get off any dead layers of skin. These ones are really good to use on your feet as well. So if you've got lots of dry, hard skin on your feet, this is really good to use to just get those layers of skin off. The other one I wanted to show you is this one. It's the Cactus Blossom. This was a limited edition range that came out during the summer. It's actually infused with like cactus seeds. So it's advertised as a gel scrub, and you can see that. You can see the seeds in there as well. So if I do that, it does that like wobbly jelly stuff like the gel based one does. But there is the sugar in this as well, so it's got the gel texture, but when you use it, it feels like a sugar scrub. So I love this. It smells really nice as well. It smells like really fruity and really floral. Just really nice to use. Cool, so that is the body scrubs. You have got like lots of different scents. I used to have more scrubs than this. When I was getting these out of my drawer with all my products in it to do this video, I was like, how have I only got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 scrubs? I used to have so many more, and it's like, oh, I've just used them all. So I had a shea one, which was sugar, and that's all gone. And I had a vanilla marshmallow, which was from last year's Christmas range, and that's gone. But yeah, I need to stock up apparently. Hello. So the only two that are any different are these two. So it's the Satsuma and the Strawberry. So these are called body polishes instead of body scrubs. They come in tubes instead of the tubs, but you know, they work in exactly the same way. They've got the nice gel texture. The Satsuma is amazing. It's one of my favourite ranges. It just really helps to make you feel more awake. So if like I'm having a shower in the morning and like I'm really tired and really not feeling it, I will use the Satsuma range just to help wake me up. It is amazing. It's just really energetic. Cat butt! Should we see your face instead of your butt? There you go. I'm not sure where you're gonna go from here. There isn't really anywhere you can go. You can look out the window, but you can't go out the window. Should I put you on my bath? There you go. There you go. No? You don't want to get down? Oh. There we go, she got down. What are you up to? I'm going to have a bath in a bit, so I don't know if you want to get in there. She doesn't want the bath. Okay, I'm going to watch this back now. I hope it wasn't lagging. I noticed yesterday when I was doing one of my Slimming World videos that it was lagging a bit, and I think that's because my battery was starting to die. I'm almost at full battery, so it shouldn't lag, but if it did, I apologise. I'll charge my phone a bit more before I do my next video. See you later.